Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen layout idea. Design your perfect backyard cook space. Create an outdoor kitchen is one of the most reward upgrading you can make to your backyard. It's enhance your outdoor living experience, provide an invite space for entertainment and add insufficient value to your home. However, design is ideal layout for your outdoor kitchen is perfect to mix both functional and aesthetic. Whether you are aman for a choosy glowing or a full essential, other the layout is the blueprint for success. We explore a various of outdoor kitchen layout idea, key complete type to help craft the perfect setup for your space and living style. Access your space and need. Before divided into layout elevate the space can have available and how you plan to use your outdoor kitchen. Much space can determine to your outdoor kitchen. Often enhancement outdoor venture of cook well to grill all three. Do I need space for dining and layout? The answer well shade your design a smart patio mean benefit from compact land kitchen. Well, long backyard can be hold U-shaped layout with multi-zone. Popular layout kitchen layout a streamline before smart patio depth or space. This layout place all kitchen elements or single wall containers. A tropical a grill space and under country story appear well. It's space safe story while it's space safe and Budget friendly, its main look, enhancement space, compact and cost effective, easy to install and main entrance can be both again a wall or fence. L-shaped layout, medium to long patio. The L-shaped design drive the kitchen into the both zone, a cook zone, perfect safe layout. This layout impact view and allow for set one side of your experience benefit the cook and guest. Balance space for cook, fixed design for different setup, more country top area, U-shaped layout, long backyard and wide outdoor kitchen area. The experience layout surrounding the cook and throw consider create work and story. Its idea for homeowner how want to a full functional outdoor kitchen well application and access pet max country and story solved effect work create for multi-user and long country gallery layout space with room and two countries. A gallery layout functional to palette country top with a pot in benefit this setup max in and our kitchen and work well when space is among but not wide. Good work easy to access cook and palette. To cost more space than streamline can feel it's not designed enhanced cook. Keep them to an outdoor kitchen. Trusted the layout even outdoor kitchen benefit for thoughtful design zone. Cook zone. This your cook zone smoking zone over those countryless surface and provide wide country space for units. Prosom. This is when you crop seasoning food before look it should be need to cook zoom but have space to work complex consider add a sleep stream and cut board safe storage design zone this area allow guest and easy movement built with stream built in story table